Daddy Hope has written an appreciation post for Madam Bossy. Vakati ivo Madam Bossy vanoshanda nesimba uye vane moyo wakanaka. Vataura zvakare vakati vatsvaka vamwe medical doctor vachabatsira Madam Bossy in a philanthropy. Whatever she does, the doctor is going to match in terms of school fees. Madam Bossy vakabhadharirawo 1, doctor vachabhadharira 1, vakabhadharirawo 5. She is going to match exactly that. Kuratidza kuti there are people out there vachine rudo. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Pamwe pacho unenge usingatozivi the impact that you give out there pakuita chakanaka. Madam Boss recently posted a picture of mukomana who was once their gardener, but akazonzi ngaachirika garden abatsire miki homework. Ndobva vaona kuti he is highly intelligent but opportunity ndo yakaita shoma. Ndobva vabvumirana namofela kutumira mwana we kuchikoro. He graduated the recent graduation. So izvi zvabva zvatrigger a certain Zimbabwean doctor in London akabva abata Daddy Hope chingono ndokubva ati iye share this information with Madam Boss. I will match any donation you make towards paying school fees for poor students at the university. If you send 3, I will also send 3. If you send 5, I will also send 5. So this is a true spirit of giving when your good works inspire others to step in and multiply the impact. Thank you for proving that helping others is contagious and for inspiring others to help build futures too. Vapedza ipapo Daddy Hope vazonyora an appreciation post for Madam Boss. Many times we only see the glamour and the glitter, but we often overlook the hard work that produces it. I received a message from my niece who is studying medicine at King's College in London, and she said to me, "Sakuru, can you buy us tickets for Duke and Slay? We want to go and see Madam Boss." I was humbled. I did not realize that she had such massive pulling power, not just for the ordinary people, but even for someone immersed in the demanding world of medicine at King's College. That tells you something powerful about her influence. So I just wanted to appreciate her and say this. Sometimes society is unnecessarily harsh on those who have not harmed it, and many choose to dislike someone simply because they think another's rise will dim their own light. Madam Boss is living proof that perseverance and authenticity will always shine through regardless of the noise. She is undoubtedly Zimbabwe's biggest influence among women, yet she remains humble, even in the midst of mindless attacks from social media haters. We come from a society that is broken with sick minds, as you shall see in the comment section. One where people often undermine each other instead of lifting and promoting each other. Yet true progress comes when we celebrate each other's successes, knowing that another person's light does not dim our own. When we choose to uplift rather than tear down, we build a stronger, more hopeful community for everyone. What many do not realize is that this space of influencers is a new phenomenon born out of the advent of the internet and social media. We are evolving. The fact that you have all these people following you, Madam Boss, and that you choose to use your influence constructively and positively makes you shine above the rest. Keep going, because in lifting others through your example, you are showing the world that influence, when done right, is a force for good. You have used your resources to send young people to school and to university. You do not even brag about it, yet you continue to do it quietly and consistently. That is true generosity, the kind that speaks louder than words. For that, we thank you, because the lives you are touching today will go on to inspire and uplift countless others tomorrow. If you cannot see the importance of someone who pays university fees for bright young people who have no money, then we are indeed a broken nation. Education changes lives, it breaks cycles of poverty, and it builds futures not just for individuals, but for entire families and communities. To dismiss that is to dismiss hope itself. Keep shining, Soko. We see you and we appreciate you too. You have just left me with a little problem. I now have to buy Duke and Slay tickets. not only for my niece, but also for her 4 friends. Still, it is a beautiful problem because anything that brings joy to humanity is always worth it. Aiwa, tsamba yaDaddy Hope yatinzwisa musoro nechirungu chakawanda, but he actually spoke the truth. It is always like that. When someone rises, you feel like they are going to dim your light. But social media platforms are big for everyone. This is truly commendable. Let the light of good deeds shine and spread. Ultimately, it's our children's future that gets transformed. Ndevamwe vari kubvumirana naDaddy Hope kuti may God bless Madam Bosse. For me to call Hope a journalist is an understatement because he facilitates throughout the value chain of news to profiling solutions and identifying sources of assistance. A life coach, philanthropist, keep doing well for others. We are learning. Tinofara chaizvo nebasa guru raitwa apa, ngazviende mberi. Tiri kuti isusu kuna chiremba vadoneterawo vari kupromisa kudoneta kuti whatever Madam Boss vachamechawo the same energy. Aiwa, tinotenda. Bravo to you guys. Not everyone can do this. Pane vana vakawanda vari kutoshairwa mari, asi imi matodecide kuti instead of enjoying your own money muchizviitira zvese zvamungada, madecide kuendesa vamwe vana kuchikoro. Wow guys, zvitori nani pane kunzi go and see Victor kupiwa future. It is being taught how to fish. So comment section yatotaura kuti aiwa Daddy Hope paya pamati muchazviona mucomment section kuti tiri vanhu vane hate tadecide kuti aiwa bodo tiri kuda kutenda basa ramashanda, nhasi hatidi kana kumboita any hate zvachose. Mushure mekunyora tsamba iyi Daddy Hope vazongoatakiwa vanzi ivo kunyora bhuku rese iri votaira mananga matete zvokwadi tinodya maruva. Daddy Hope ndokuti the biggest enemy of women is women. Sure ungarwadzwa kuti munhu atendwa kuti ari kuendesa poor kids kuuniversity. Zvimwe zvacho zvakaoma. Jealous and bitterness really runs in our veins. Daddy Hope also confirmed vakati ivo I'm a social scientist, a journalist, and someone who advises governments, non-governmental organizations and corporations on Zimbabwe. For me to do that work effectively, it is important to understand the thinking in Zimbabwe and the mindset of Zimbabweans. That is why I take time to read all these comments ndichiona kuti vanhu vari bitter kana kuti havazi bitter. If you were to ask me, for example, about education, I would be able to advise that the quality of education is poor and that critical thinking is dangerously low in Zimbabwe. Zvinobatsira decision making nemainvestor nezvimwe zvakadaro. Vataura zvakare vakati ivo, please pray for me to finish my PhD on time. Once it is complete, I will release it for Zimbabweans to read because it is not just an academic exercise, it is a mirror of who we are and what needs to change. When you read it, you will fully understand what I'm talking about, the depth of our challenges, but also the possibility of transformation if we choose a different path. So Daddy Hope vari kuti ivo vanotora time kuverenga macomments pese patinotuka paya, aiwa vanenge vachizvitora zvichatobatsiridza paPhD. Inika zvakaoma, tiri kutoita research, titori research pachedu kudai. But anyway, he did well kutenda Madam Boss for doing something that is good. Tinongotendawo navo Daddy kuti vane mabasawo makukutu avari kuitirawo vana venyika yedu. Hanzi, if you want to see change, be the change you want to see. Change begins with you. And thank you so much Madam Boss, Daddy Hope nachiremba vacharamba vachikontinua kubhadharawo school fees.